Evening, sir. I have applied for data entry job 1 week back. There I have to fill 500 forms in 5 days and with 90% accuracy at least. I fill all the form in the given time but fail to reach percent accuracy. I fill up all the form in the given time and now they are telling me that you have not complete as accuracy required. I do not have a 6 works. They are asking me to pay 6,300 rupee because I fail in said accuracy rate. Or else they will say that they are going to take a legal action and I have to come to the court and the police station. They are sending me this type of legal notice that I have to appear in the Gujarat High Court. Under me, section 73, 74, 75 legal case has been registered. In case you also receive this type of legal notice from any advocate or from any data entry form filling, captcha filling company, no need to worry, we are there to help you. Initially they send you this type of message that you have to do 6 day works only and 16 form you have to fill. Per form you are going to get 40 rupees and monthly you can earn between 20 to 25,000 rupees. And for that they take your ID proofs, your voter ID card, Aadhaar card, PAN card, and initially they will not ask the money, but once they give you the work, even if in between you want to left out the job or you have even completed the work, they are not going to pay you even a single rupee. Even they will demand money from you on the name of legal notice, court case, police station. In case you also get into their trap, no need to worry, we are there to help you. Just WhatsApp us the name of the company, whatever notice or mail they are sending you, so that we can help you. And you don't have to worry about getting any legal notice hard copy to your address or paying any amount on the name of cancellation agreement, NOC. You don't have to worry about any legal issue or going to any court or police station. Complete advice and solution will be given to you by our advocate. Even if it is required on your behalf, we can talk to them. Like the video, share it, subscribe our channel, be with us for any legal matter. And in case you are having any other legal matter like family, civil, criminal, for that also you can